Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Makia Forex, and in this video we're continuing our MetaTrader 5 tutorials. So here's a part 2 of our 15 to 20 video series on how to use MetaTrader 5 as a beginner all the way to a professional trader. So if you want to download MetaTrader 5, I'll leave the link in the description. Also, if you want to use a recommended broker, I will leave the link in the description. So for this particular video, we're going to show you guys how you can be able to connect your broker to your MetaTrader 5, because you have to, if you want to trade real accounts, if you want to trade real accounts and make real money, you have to be able to connect your broker to your MetaTrader 5 platform. First thing first, I'll open my MetaTrader 5 platform. You can see I'll click on my computer, MT5. So very soon it's going to open the platform. Okay, you can see this is a platform which I just created recently on the last video. You can see the balance. Whenever you're downloading MT5, it comes with a balance of $10,000, depending on if you're using your phone or your computer. So now, how do you connect your account with MetaTrader 5? So I'll come to this area like this file. I'll come and click open an account. When you click on that, you have to look for your broker. I'll use Xness, and I'll click find company. So you come to the last over here. It's Xness Technology Limited. You come here, you just click next, right? When you click next, you can now connect your Xness account. So if you want to connect your account, you just come over here, just click connect existing account. Now, so for this particular program, I'll use Xness as my recommended broker, and in fact it is the best broker over here. So for those who want to use my link, I'll leave it down in the description. When you use my link, you're having a lot of benefits. You're also going to have a free plan on how you can take $100 to $1,000 within 2 weeks. That's it. That's if you contact me on my Telegram, which I'll leave it also in the description. So I've logged into my Xness account. As you can clearly see, I have no active account, but let me just create an account for this particular purpose. Okay, let me create a new demo account. So I'll come to open new account over here, and I'll choose a standard account. Doesn't need to be much. I'll click recommended account. I'll press continue. I'll come to demo account, because you can create a real account over here, but here's a demo account. You come to demo account, you put your password. Let me just use any password. Press copy and hold the password. Then I'll click create an account. As you can clearly see, this is the new account I just created. It's a standard account, so it obviously comes with a balance of $500, but you can be able to set the balance. You can put the balance to $1,000, $10,000, depending on how you want to trade. But you can put the balance all the way to $50, even up to $1. For this purpose, let's just use $500 as the normal balance. Let's come to this area over here. So when you click here, you will see many things. You see change maximum leverage, where you can be able to change your leverage. You can see rename account information. Click account information over here. So when you have your account information, you will see your server number. This is it, Xness MT5 trial 9, and this is your MT5 login. We come to Xness and we copy this information. You can see over here, I'll come and copy my password, I'll copy my server number, and I'll copy my MT5 login. So you come over here, you look for your server number. First thing first, copy your password, you paste your password. So I'll paste the password over here, paste. I'll come to my login. I'll just come to back where my broker is, and I'll copy this one. I'll copy the MT5 login. I'll just copy this one like that and come to MT5 and just paste. I think that's it. Then I'll look for my server number. So my server on my MT broker, my server number is Xness MT5 trial 9. I'll just copy. I'll come over here to MT5 and I'll just paste. sorry, I cannot paste, so I'll just look for it. MT5 trial 9. This is over here, MT5 trial 9, and I'll press finish.
Incoming mail.
So that is it. I've connected my broker to my MetaTrader 5 or MT4. It's the same process. Just come over here, you click this area, open an account, look for your broker over here, then you connect your existing account. You can also do it by clicking this area here and pressing login. You just come in here. If you're using the same broker, you can just come in here and you can log into your different trading accounts over here. That different accounts over here which you can use. This is just a trial account for explanation purposes. So you can see, you can open your trades here, you can do every single thing here, but the purpose of this video is just to show you guys how you can be able to connect your broker to your MT5. Hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and also join our Telegram group, which I will send a link in the description. With that said, thanks for watching. Bye.